How to update drivers on Nimo laptops. Visit Nimo's official website and click the Support tab to enter the Help Center page. On the Help Center page, select Driver and Manual. Locate the driver download page for your specific laptop model. Choose the driver you need and download all the items. Extract the downloaded files into the same folder. Open the install file. If you see a message about an unrecognized app, click More Info and select Run Anyway to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer.